Okay, hey guys, I'm coming back to you with another video. This time this will be a makeup tutorial, and I'm just gonna start off by doing my edges. I would suggest, if you have a hairstyle that you want your edges done on, most definitely do your edges beforehand. I've learned my lesson. The mixture of foundation and edge control is disgusting, and it looks tacky and it gets very messy. And yeah, you will most definitely have like a sun bleach looking part around your edges, and that just looks disgusting. Leave a comment if you want to see an edge video or an edge tutorial. Now I'm just gonna, my hair was kind of swooped over my face, so I'm going to put some hair shine in it because I am going out later and I want it to look shiny. And I'm going to take one strand, one braid from each side of my ear and tie it with an elastic band to keep it out of my face. So to get started with my makeup, I'm going to go in with my Cella eyebrow defining gel in the color clear, and this is going to help keep my eyebrows from getting oily when I put on my first primer, because yes, I use 2 primers. I'm going in with my Magic Collections primer oil with rose oil. It is this is a very potent smelling oil. It most definitely smells like roses. So if you got asthma or allergies, I would not suggest this oil for you. So yeah, I'm just gonna moisturize my entire face and my dry spots especially, which is really my nose area. You're gonna see me go in on my nose. I'm getting on my eyelids, underneath my eyes, especially on my nose. And yeah. After I am done with that, I'm going in with my color correcting concealer by the Magic Collection with a matte finish. And I'm just going to apply that to my dark areas, which is around my mouth, a little bit on the sides of my chin and underneath my eyes. I'm also going to get some acne bumps that I have. I'm almost 20, and I most definitely am going to have acne, or adult acne, sadly, because I skipped out on it throughout my high school life, teenage life. So we'll see how that works out. Maybe I'll be lucky. So you just see me getting underneath my eyes with this concealer, and I'm dragging it out as far as needed. I'm not squeezing this, I just use a dab and spread it out as needed. After this, I am going to let it dry for 2 minutes, and I don't want it to completely dry, but I want it to dry enough that it won't spread when I have to blend it out, but it'll more so just stay in place and blend out. So here you see me going in with one sponge. Yes, I'm going to use one sponge for this entire video, and it's going to be this one, and I'm going in with that sponge, and the eyes are the only place you're going to see me kind of like try to spread it out farther, because it helps me make this crease that'll be helpful later with when I begin my eyeshadow. But other than that, I'm just dabbing this in place. You know, I'm trying not to spread it. I'm trying not to drag it along my skin. I don't want this to end up any place that I didn't want it to in the beginning. Okay, so now I'm going in with a spoolie, and I am using It Cosmetics Brow Powder Universal Brow Pencil, and I'm going in now with the other side of this pencil, and I'm pretty sure the color is dark brown. I don't know if they have a specific name for it. It doesn't say that. It's just dark brown, y'all. And I'm going to use this to darken my eyebrows, and I'm not going directly underneath my eyebrow hair for underneath. I have this pocket of fat, so I have to, that kind of makes a weird shape, if you guys can see it. Just try to understand where I'm coming from. I don't know if everybody has this issue, but I most definitely have it. So I am going where I would actually want my hair to be showing, and it's above that beginning inch of my eyebrow, on top of the hair. There's still hair underneath there that wasn't caught, but I'm gonna get that with my concealer. I've only had my eyebrows waxed like twice my entire life. These are my natural eyebrows, y'all. So here I am going in with my Fenty Beauty Collection concealer. It doesn't say a specific color. It just has the numbers 410 on the bottom, if that helps. Personally, my concealer isn't the best shade that I'll say I would be looking for. I love this concealer though. I most definitely will be getting it again, but not in this shade. Something lighter, because I most definitely want to have movie star eyebrows whenever I step outside, and this just look like natural eyebrows, at least to me, because I have natural nice looking eyebrows. So you'll see me going in with this brush, the sharp end. I don't even know what to call these shapes of brushes, so don't come for me. You know, if you have a brush that'll help with that's like at a point, this most definitely will help you kind of spread out your eyeshadow. I said eyeshadow, your concealer. So I went in one more time with the eyebrow pencil and filled out any spots that I accidentally got with that concealer, because yes, I make mistakes. I'm human. So I'm going to go in with my other primer by Haley's, and I use this one to kind of help with my pores, while the other one will most definitely help my moisture, but it doesn't completely help with my pores. And let me just tell you, this Haley's works, but I prefer getting the Magic Collections blurred foaming. Is it like foaming or gel? I don't really remember, but I'm most definitely going to look into getting that primer again. So after I have that spread out, I am taking 2 pumps of my Tarte. It looked like 3 pumps, but no. 1 pump is really all you need. 2 pumps is like really going overboard, but I did it. And I kind of put that on the sponge and put different dots on my chin, both my cheeks, and my forehead. And right now I'm going to focus on spreading this out and evenly contributing it all over my face. Not really worried about blending, just making sure I don't miss a spot, because I hate with my makeup when I focus on one specific spot and it dries up. So I'm going to start from my cheek and make my way to I'm going to start from my chin and make my way to both my cheeks, and then my forehead, and then my eye. After that, I'm just going to blend this out, and I choose not to touch my ear. If you guys want to touch your ear, that's you. I usually go underneath my face and hit a little bit of my neck. Yeah, I just blend that out. But if you just so happen to have Tarte foundation just like me, you would know that it is very shiny. It has sunscreen in it, and I believe that it's very helpful for people who have dry skin. And I do not have dry skin. I don't have oily skin. I would just say I have like a nice, cool skin, but when I put makeup on, it just looks dry and my face don't be agreeing. So here I'm just going to allow the foundation to dry, and I'm going to go work on my eyes. And here I'm just going in with a golden eyeshadow color from Color Mode by LA Colors. Yeah, I'm just going in with the gold shade, and I'm putting that on each eye. And it was going to be just like a simple makeup tutorial, but I went overboard, of course, because I didn't like just having one shade. And I'm just going to show you how to fix this. So I went in with a light brown as somewhat of a transition color, but you know, it's drugstore makeup. It does not show up that well, and I believe that it matched my skin tone too much to show up. So I ended up having to use a super dark brown, the darkest brown that they have inside of the palette. I used that as a transition color, and I did use the sharp edge of that brush again, so it is going to just look like a straight line across my eye, as you can see here, and it kind of look a little crazy, but that's when you're going to take the other end of that brush and you're going to blend it out. So what you want to do is you want to go in circular motions and just go back and forth, but more so focus on not putting too much effort into the corner of your inner eye, because you do not want it to be looking tacky over there. So make sure you kind of go outwards to your outer eye. I did that to both, and I decided that that still wasn't enough. I didn't like that color at all. So I ended up going in with the black from the palette and putting some on my ends. And yeah, I'm just putting some in on my ends, and to kind of blend it all together, I'm going over that brown that I was trying to use as a transition color. And I'm using circular motions and just going in. You know, you can go all the way into the corner of the eye, which I most definitely was going for, but by the time you make it to the corner, it should really just help it fade in. So I'm done, and now I'm taking my brush with that same gold that I used for my upper lid, and I'm going underneath my eyelashes, my lower lashes, and I'm making a straight line that's going to help with the crease. And this most definitely is going to throw people off. It just looks great. I like the shape that it gives my eyes. So now you need to snatch this look. You're going to need some liquid liner, and once again, this is a drugstore liner. It is by Magic Collection. It's a waterproof matte dip eyeliner, and I went in with a straight line because it's just a straight thin line. You know, my eye shape kind of just helped with the eyeliner. I just followed, you know, the shape of my eye, and I just try to go as thin as possible because I know I do not look good with thick eyeliner. And wings, that's just not for me. I know wings are popular now, it just don't look right on everybody, and I'm just one of those people, and I can be honest with myself. You know, it just doesn't look right for me, even if I have my makeup done professionally. A thick liner is just not for me. So I'm going in with this. I forgot the name of this, y'all. I don't use this that much, but my eyelashes have been looking a little short, so I just use this so that my false eyelashes have something to hold on to very easily, especially in the corner of my eye, and to drag my lower lashes out. So here I am going in with the LA Colors palette brown, and I'm kind of just using this as a way to kind of set my powder because I'm not using setting spray. I was planning on taking this right off, but this is just something to kind of bring down the shine. And after I'm done with that, I go in with the pink blush to this palette, and I'm applying that to my nose and my cheeks. And once I had the desired pinkness, I went in with the highlighter. Yeah. So once I have that highlighter on, I started to contour just a little bit, not a lot, you know. I wanted to look like a bad chick, but not like a super, super bad chick. So I went in with that, with this makeup that I had got from this man down south. He made his own makeup. I don't really remember what mall I had got him in, but he had his own little stand and he was telling me about his homemade makeup. So yeah, I'm just going in with this, and it is very pigmented, so I don't really need a lot. It blends in so well. Okay, so after I've done that, I'm going in with my lip liner by NK. And this lip liner is very nice, but personally for this look, it was not the right lip liner. So I'm just going to tell you, I went in with a nude lipstick, and then I went in with the LA Colors lipstick because I didn't really like the nude look with this look. But I ended up changing it again because, let me just tell you, I wasn't feeling it. You know, my eyes was dark. There was no way I was going to pair this with like a pinkish looking nude look. It just wasn't for this. Maybe if I had did a pink eyeshadow with gold, but this ain't the case. I did black. So I took this off before or after the video had ended, and I went in with a black lip liner instead. Right here you see me going in with the highlighter again because I didn't feel like I put enough. So I'm going in with the highlighter and highlighting my cheekbones. I put a little bit on my chin, a lot of bit on my nose, a lot of bit on my underneath my eyebrows, and yeah, a little bit over on the bow on my lip, above my lip. And yeah, this is the final look. So, well, this isn't the final look, but thank you for watching, and I'll put some pics in here for the final look. And I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and tell me some more things that you would like to see, some things that you would like to know. I'm using this trick that my friend had taught me to bend the eyelashes and make them look right. I do go in with the Kiss adhesive. I do not use hair glue because that ends up building up. Y'all saw that bubble? That was funny. But yeah, I don't like it building up, so I just use a little drop and I spread it across the entire weft of the eyelash. But here's the final look, and I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and share my videos. Thank you.